Hello everyone, welcome to the Solidworks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Solidworks lofted cut command. During our lofted boss tutorial, we learned that to use lofted boss or lofted cut command, we need at least two sketches on two different planes. So we will create two sketches on two faces of this part and then we will apply lofted cut command. So let's get started. Go to the sketch, click on sketch, select a plane or face, make it normal. Any profile or any sketch required to loft cut, dimension it with a smart dimension. The sketch, create one more sketch on a different plane. Click on sketch in our face to create a sketch, make it normal. Create here hexagon. Dimension it. Make this line horizontal so that it will be fully defined. Black color. Close this sketch. Now go to the features. Click on lofted cut. As per our standard process for lofted boss, we have to select profiles. We have three options here as discussed in lofted boss. Like first one is based on profiles, second is based on center line, and third is based on guided curves. So we will see first one, profiles. Just select the first profile and the second profile and click OK. Now it will loft cut here based on that profiles. The important point we have to consider here is the connecting dot points. Like two green points are here. If they are in line, then loft will be in a straight way. If this green point is here and second is here, it will be like twisted. So this is the most important point we have to consider. The lofted cut with guided curve and center line works in the same way as lofted boss feature. The detailed explanation link is provided in the description and in the I button. I recommended watching the lofted boss tutorial first to understand this feature in depth. So this is the lofted cut command. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.